Hello everyone, welcome back to MIT ADT podcast. We have got two lovely students from MIT College of Management. We have Ms. Ananya Ghatke, who is an MBA student from Bitkom, and we have Mr. Sunit Lahare, who is also an MBA student from Bitkom. Welcome both of you. I would like to start by asking you about the quality of teaching that you get in Bitkom.
Okay, so I would start with the personal experience which I had with Whitcomb. You get all the teaching faculties with all the doctorate, PhD completed, highly specialized and highly skilled faculties. And they teach you with all the love and affection and with providing live examples regarding each topics and each whatever they try to cover up in a subject. They also provide us with case studies, different types of case studies regarding international level examples and national level examples. And teaching faculty, I would say that they have that interaction with the students on regular basis. They ask for doubts and I think they are very welcoming and understanding towards the students.
Sunit, MIT ADT University is known for its infrastructure. Would you like to talk about it?
The thing I loved most about our infrastructure is that it is very deep rooted to our culture and traditions. So, and I feel this aspect of our infrastructure is very helpful for our students, because as an overall personality development, apart from education, a person should also know what are your roots, what are your religions, what are your cultures, what are traditions. So it helps the student to be rooted to the cultures.
Right. Ananya, what about the extracurricular activities that MIT ADT University offers?
MIT ADT University, apart from studies and academics, I think they motivate students for uh, get participated into like sports. We have a sports complex in which there is badminton court, volleyball court, and n number of sports activities. All followed with a gym, swimming pool, and instructors to guide you in that specific areas. And extracurricular activities is also cultural events. Many types of cultural events are happening, and you can participate in dancing, singing, and show up your interest.
Sunit, would you like to talk about the biggest techno-cultural event, that is Persona Fest?
Persona, honestly speaking, I have been to my friends' colleges all over Pune, but honestly speaking, I'm not doing any buttering, but honestly, it's probably the biggest one I've ever witnessed till now. And on cherry on the cake is I got to experience and participate in the event itself. So that has helped me in my personality development, in growing my confidence, in getting to know new people. Usually as a management student, we have to be in our uniforms every day. But because of the Persona Fest, we got to see, different new looks of our friends also. So yes, it was a great gathering and meetup event.
Okay. So Ananya, will you recommend MIT ADT University to your friends, and why?
Yes, surely I would recommend because it is one of the reputed and best university, and also it will contribute to your personal growth as well as your professional growth in your future career. And there are n number of options you will get in your career, n number of specializations, whichever if you are confused, you can go and consult. People will help you. They'll understand you, and they'll guide you. So I would recommend each and everyone to have this experience of MIT ADT University.
As I said earlier, the thing that touched my heart the most was that the whole foundation of this university is being rooted to our culture. So of course, the education level is top class here, but the icing on the cake is being rooted to our cultures. A huge diverse campus with a diverse range of students being local students or coming from different states and rather maybe different countries too. And even the faculty, they don't treat you as a student teacher faculty. There's no relation like a student and teacher. It's like a friend relationship. So they're always accessible, and even the infrastructure is great, the environment is great. The moment you enter inside the gate, it's a whole new different world. So of course, what more do we need? So of course, I would recommend to my friends.
Ananya and Sunit, thank you very much for interacting with us. Wish you all the best. Thank you.